Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that cloning an object, right? Now in this video, I'm going to discuss about JavaScript, one of the building math objects. So that is a math, okay, math and then object. So what exactly that math object? So if you go to that Google and if you search with the JavaScript math object in W3, you will get lot of the resources as a W3.js and then JS math ASP. Now you can see that is a math object, and here there is a math object that if you want to get that pi value, it will be return that pi value, and then they have some of the example, and also they have some of the building method as a number, as a math round, that is a math sale, math floor, math transaction, okay, and also you can see there is a math round. So that is all that building method actually, friends. So if you want to check it like here, so I will show you some of the example, then that will be easy. Like right now I remove everything, okay, I remove everything, and here if you run, that means I want to run to in our console, into the console log, okay, console log, into this console log area. If you want to pass that a math, there is a math, and I want to pass, I want to get that a pi data, okay, that is a pi data. And now if you save it, click as a save all, now go to our project, you can see there is also, as I told you, there is a math pi, okay, there is another function. Now if you click as a refresh, then it will be returning the pi value, okay, you can see it's display the pi value. And also if you want to get that as a round, that is another function method as a console, sorry, that is a console, and then the log, and into this console log, now I want to use that with the math. Okay, with the math I want to use another function, and that is the random, okay, random function. Random function will be needed because if you want to some of the time that will be generated one of the random number, okay, like if you click as a save all, now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see now that is actually generated this type of one of the random number. Every time if you refresh it, automatically that will be changed, okay, every time that will be changed. So that is the random math object. And also another one I want to do into the console and then the log, and with this math, okay, with this math I want to access another one. Like if you go, they have so many actually. You can see there is a round, also there is another one as a round. You can see there is a round method. So into the round method, if you get that as a 4.9, it will be get that as a 5. Okay, that means here that is a return x round, it's nearest the integer. So it will be calculated as a 4.6, then that will be displayed as a 5. When it will be as a 4.4, then that will be displayed as a 4. Okay, that is a round one of the value. So now you can also use it. Better I copy it. Okay, copy it, and now here and we want to add that as a round method, and with this round method I make it as a 4.9. So 4.9, that means that will be displayed as a 5, right? Now that will be displayed as a 5. Click as a save all. Now if you go, now refresh it, you can see it's now returning as a 5. And also there is another one as a sale. So sale is for the return x round up to its nearest integer, and another one is a floors, that will be return x round down its nearest integer. Okay, friend. So they have so many maths. There is all that building maths. You can see there is also here there's some of the example also. So you can actually get that some of the references from here. And there is some of the building method. They have some of the building method as a math. So there is a math object. You have to remember it. Okay, just simply understand that I have another building JavaScript method as a math object. So in your project, it depends on your project volume, what type of project you are building. You can use all that building functionality. Okay, that is the math object. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.